4x4, and we're trying to get ready for this Dennis Anderson's North vs. South race, and this truck is just fighting us. One thing after the other. But it's Sunday, we got 4 days, 3 days till we leave. We should get it done. I hope. Oh man. Alright. What? Hey Bird, what do you got here?
You know, a little hot wire action going on. It's not stolen, I swear.
Is that your starter switch?
No title though.
How does that work?
Oh, you know, there's a little hot wire action. Oh shit.
Look at that. Huh? That works pretty decent, huh?
Yeah, you know, you keep that off the metal.
Alright, so here's the bent top 4-link bar. That's the bent one, and here's the new one. Getting ready to put it in. Goes right up in here. You can see the other one's right there. This one's gonna go here, and then we're gonna put that new trailing arm on. Yeah. All right, let's get at it. Got this new solid aluminum 4-link bar in, and got to tighten up the bolts. And we're going to put this trailing arm in next. And she's that much closer. You. Has a little crack in it. Might be part of the reason why I wasn't having a lot of brakes. So look what we got. New rotor. And also, we got a bolt in there now. Didn't have one. So brakes are gonna work a lot better. Yes, sir. Dennis Anderson's, here we come. Found another problem. The old slip joint on the rear drive shaft was seized up, so had to take it apart, clean it. Now we're greasing it. Hopefully get it back on here in a minute. Woohoo! Somebody said, let's go racing. Steamboat? Bert whipped up some new shock mounts because we're putting some different shocks on. They're a little bit shorter. So, yeah, Bert whipped up some nice ones, gonna weld them on, and hopefully these shocks will be good to go. Bert, they're never gonna know.
They're gonna know.
No, they're never gonna know.
They're gonna know.
No, they're never gonna know. It's DBDA day. Day before Dennis Anderson's. We gotta leave in the morning or tonight. And Jimmy's still thrashing away on this thing. Gotta put some nitrogen in the rear shocks. Put the hood on. Check some more bolts. And fuel it up. And then pack everything up. Load it on the trailer, of course. And head out. Just another day in Jimmy Likes. Woo! Giving the old Steamboat a little blood transfusion. Yep. A little fresh oil do her good. You. Current status for Steamboat the day before we leave to go to Dennis Anderson's. Just a few things left to do. Not too bad. Sort of. Maybe. Tip of the day. Don't wait for the last minute before a race to get stuff done. Yep. Jimmy likes that. Alright, whose great idea was it to change these front tires to a skinnier tire? Oh, it was Jimmy. Holy moly. Last year at Dennis's, I needed to start turn sharper in that corner. And so I'm trying a couple different things this year, and front tires are going to be different. Little tech tip of the day. Skinnier tires in the front turn faster, or sharper maybe. We'll see. Jimmy's out here, been working on this truck for probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 days straight, and pretty worn out, but it's one of the biggest and most fantastic races of the year, which we're leaving for tomorrow morning early, and it's at Dennis Anderson's Muddy Motorsports Park. It's called North vs. South, and Jimmy's been going there probably since the first year he's done it, I don't know, 15 years ago. And probably haven't had the best luck there, but I've had some good races there, but a lot of bad luck, crashes, things like that too. So hopefully that changes this year, and we get right up there in the #1 spot. We got this thing ready, and it is gonna fly. Woohoo! Jimmy likes.